Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today I will be showing my variant of making Maggi, which is vegetable Maggi. And guys, trust me, this Maggi is amazing and it's very healthy also. So let's see what all ingredients we require. So I'll be taking some carrots, some roughly chopped onions, beans, capsicum, and Maggi of course, and capsicum. And yeah, so let's see how I make my kind of Maggi. So yeah, let's get into the video now. So I've taken one pan, put some oil in it, and using olive oil. You can use any oil. Let it heat for like 1 minute. Then I'll be adding some onions. Now I will be stirring it. I will be cooking my onions until it's golden brown. If you want guys, you can add green chilies here, but I will not be using any chili for myself. So yeah. So next I'll be using some boiled beef. I have boiled it for like 1 or 2 minutes, like for 5 minutes, sorry, for 5 minutes in separate water. Then I have put it here. Now it's almost done. Now I will be putting rest of my veggies. Next I'll be adding some beans. Mix it. Then I'll be adding some chopped carrots. Guys, trust me, you have to try this. And if your kids ask for Maggi, so you can make this kind of Maggi for them. I'm sure your kids will love this Maggi for sure. Plus it's very healthy guys. Then I'll be adding capsicum. Why capsicum in the last guys? Because I want that crunchiness to be there in my capsicum. That's the only reason I have put capsicum in the last. So yeah. Now my veggies are done. Now I'll be adding water. I'll be adding 3 cups of water. Like it's up to you guys because everybody's taste is different. Some people like more soupy noodles, some people like less, the dry one, but I'll be adding a normal thing. I like the normal. I don't like that soupy thing or neither that dry. So yeah, mine will be the normal one. So I guess I'll be taking 3 packets of, like 3 parts of Maggi and 3 cups of water. So yeah, now I'll be adding, now my veggies are boiled nicely. I'll be adding some masala, Maggi masala in it. So yeah, it's boiling now. And guys, you can add any vegetables in it, whatever veggies you like, you can put anything in this. And if you like, cauliflower, if you like anything, you can put broccoli, you can put mushrooms, you can put anything. So these are the veggies which I have put into it, the one which I like. So yeah, I'll be putting Maggi and crushing it in the water, like in the masala thing. Mix it nicely. see how colorful it is. And I've heard that you should have colorful diet. So yeah, and actually plain Maggi is actually very unhealthy, guys. And if you add some veggies in it, I'm sure it automatically becomes healthy, right? Not that healthy, but slightly healthy because of the veggies. So yeah, you can see all the water is dry now, and see the color, guys. How colorful, how pretty it looks. So yeah, that's my Maggi, guys, and please try this recipe. And if you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel.